Hello everybody, this is Sinan Salihovic and welcome to my channel where only you have the power to build your world. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be talking about some of the issues that you may encounter being a homeowner and a real estate investor. And today we're going to be talking about a freaking water leak. Alright. You hear all these positive stories about real estate, people becoming super wealthy, making a ton of money, but you never hear about all the problems that come with real estate, with owning a house, with having rental properties. Today, I'll be showing you one of those problems. As you can see, the whole front yard of this house is marked. The yellow flags represent the gas line. The blue flags represent the water line. And you can pretty much guess what's wrong with this property. Look at all this water. It is insane. And it just keeps coming out. No LG&E. That means electric in the state of Kentucky. This is where the gas line starts. This is where the water line starts. Pretty much comes this way underneath the driveway, goes over and into the puddle where I'm guessing the water leak is. First thing, I don't know if you can see the big old hump in the middle of the yard. Let me put that on camera. Yeah, but this hump used to be a giant tree. I'm talking about this tree was at least 4 feet wide. It was insanely huge. It was removed 4 years ago and the stump got grounded out. My best guess is that the roots were coming up and they messed up the water line. So after getting a couple quotes and finding the cheapest company to do it, it's going to be dug up today and hopefully fixed. Also, one other thing I would like to mention, if you're living in Louisville or the state of Kentucky or the state of Indiana, if you just call 811, the city will come out and mark your gas line, your water line, and your electric. This way you can dig and you will not hit a pipe and cause even more damage than what's already there. So make sure you call 811, get your electric, your water, and your gas lines marked. That way you know where to dig exactly. And one other thing I would like to mention before we end this quick video, also make sure to get the insurance. For this property, the insurance is only $5 a month and it covers your whole water line from the street all the way to your house and like underneath the house. Also, it covers your sewage. I did not have insurance on this property, so all this will be out of pocket. Guys, if you want to invest in real estate, if you want to own a house, make sure to have money saved up for things like this. The unexpected problems that can cost you a lot of money. This job right here will pretty much require the company to dig all the way to the property and dig out the whole line and pretty much fix it. That was one option. The other option was going to be a spot repair, pretty much where they dig out a 5-foot hole, like 5 foot long, and locate the leak and then fix the leak without having to dig up all the way to the house. That is the choice I went with. And after they do this spot repair, I will get the insurance and hopefully any future problems will be covered by the insurance. So that is my plan for this one. It is still worth investing in real estate. It is still worth owning a house. Make sure these little mishaps do not keep you away from achieving success and creating wealth for you and your family. And as always, guys, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully the plumbing company will let me record on how they fix this. That way I can show you guys and hopefully interview some of the plumbers and get some tips for you guys. Anyway, make sure you hit the like button and see you in the next video. Peace out.